is also coming. Last 1 minute is there. So we will wait for 1 minute and then I'm going to start the class.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mathli. So today topic, as you can see, today topic is functions. Okay. So first of all, in the first exercise, you deal with the Cartesian product. In the second exercise, you deal with the relation, and now with the functions. That's why the name of the chapter is relations and functions. Okay. This is the last topic. Clear? So first of all, what is a function? As the definition suggests, a relation from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B, written as f from A to B, is said to be a relation. Class, this is very important. If every element of set A has only one and one image in set B. So every element of set A, if it is uniquely matched to the set B, then it is called set. Class, I have taken a very basic example to explain the function. Suppose in the set A there are three persons, Ram, Sham and Sita. Clear? So Ram has weight 40 kg, Ram has weight 50 kg. So can I say, class, set A, there is one element having two images in set B, Ram with 40 kg, Ram with 50 kg. Is it possible, class, Ram has two weights? 40 kg भी Ram का weight है, 50 kg भी Ram का weight है. नहीं हो सकता, class. This is impossible. That's why this is not a function. मैंने क्या बोला था, class? Every element of set A has a unique image in set B. Unique का मतलब होता है only one image. So Ram has two images in set B. So this is not a set. Okay. Now class, this is my second example. Okay. This is set A. This is set B. Is this forms a function, class? Any answer from your side? Is this forms function? Giving you 30 seconds to think. Is this forms a function? Is this a function? Think.
Yes, sir.
Read the definition and then decide. What is definition? See, class, this is not a function. Why? See what I said. Every element of set A, every means har ek element. See, there is an element 8 in set A which does not have any image in set B. So this is not a function. What is the statement? Every element of set A. See, 1 has the image 2, 3 has the image 4, 5 has the image 6. But what about the element 8? There is an element 8 in the set A. It does not have any image in the set B. So this is not a function. Okay? So let us take the third example. Think, decide whether that is a function or not. Third. Suppose, class, set A is 1, 3, 5. This is my set A. And set B, let me take any set B as 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 1 is mapped to 2, 3 is mapped to 4, 5 is mapped to 6. Now decide, class, is this a set? Is this a function? For example,
Yes, sir.
is this a function? See, what is the criteria? Every element of set A. So every element of set A has a unique image in set B. Unique means only one. So 1 has image 2, 3 is mapped to 4, 5 is mapped to 6. So 8 is left out in the second set, not in the first set. So this is a set. Function. This is a function because every element of set A is uniquely mapped to set B. That's why this is a function. So let me take one more example. Think, decide this is a function or not. I'm giving you two examples here. Little challenging now. Previous one, they are simple. So this is, suppose this is 1, 4. This is set A. Let me take set B as 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. So 1 is mapped to 2, 1 is mapped to 5, clear? And 4 is, so 1 is mapped to 3, and 4 is mapped to 5. Think, decide whether this is set or not. Another example, sorry, function or not. A, B. So this is 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Take your time. 2, 5. 2, 5. So 1 is mapped to 2. 1 is mapped to 2. 3 is mapped to 2. 4 is mapped to 5. Think, function है कि नहीं? What about the fourth and the fifth?
No, sir.
Fourth is function or no?
No,
Answer is
sir.
no. Why?
No.
Because there is an element in set A, that is 1, which has 2 images in set B. So मैंने क्या कहा था? Every element of set A has only 1 image. 1 means unique. So uniqueness fail हो रही है यहाँ पे. 1 is mapped to the 2 elements. So uniqueness वाला criteria क्या हो गया? Fail. That is why this is not a function. But about this example class, is this a function?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes, this is a function.
Sir.
Because every element of set A, 1, 3, 5, has a unique image in set B. 1 is mapped to 2. So 1 is not mapped to 5. 1 is mapped, no, 3 is mapped to 2. 4 is mapped to 5. So 1 goes to 2. 3 is mapped to 2. And what we call 4 is mapped to 5. So every element of set A has a unique image in the set B. That's why this is a function. आप समझ में आया क्लास थोड़ा सा? ठीक है? This is the criteria that every element of set A has a unique image in set B. Okay. Now class, next is domain, range and functions. You have calculated, मैंने बताया था आपको. Now in case of function, what is a domain, what is a range and what is a codomain? Suppose I am having set A 1, 3, 6, 7. And set B as 2, 4, 8, 9, 10. 2, 4, 8, 9, 10. 1 is mapped to 2. Okay. 3 is mapped to 4. 6 is mapped to 4. Okay. 7 is mapped to 8. Okay. Now class, function. Now you are supposed to find a domain. Function क्या होगा? 1 is mapped to 2, 3 is mapped to 4, 6 is mapped to 4, and 7 is mapped to 8. So you are supposed to write the domain, range, and codomain. Again, the concept is same class. Domain means element from the first set. Range means elements from the second set. Codomain means whole set B. Clear? But domain में कौन से आएंगे class? What is the domain of F here? D of F means domain of F. What should be the answer domain of F? From the first set which are mapped to the second. So 1 is mapped to 2. So domain में क्या आएगा? 1, 3, 6 and 7. 1, 3, 6 and 7. They come under the category of domain. 1, 3, 6, 7. All those elements in the set A which are mapped to the set B, that forms the domain. Now class, what is the range of F? Range of F. Range means elements from the set B which are having the pre-image in the set A. So क्या आएगा range में? Any idea class? What is the range in this case? 2 is having the image
2,
as
4,
1.
8.
4, then 8, 9 क्यों नहीं आया? Because 9 do not have any pre-image here. 10 क्यों नहीं आया? Because 10 does not have the pre-image here. So this is the range of F. And class codomain. Codomain क्या आएगा? Complete set B क्या होगा? Complete set second set, that is the codomain. So domain कहाँ से find out करेंगे? From the set first. Range from the second set. Domain means all those elements from the set A which are mapped to the set B. Range means all those elements from the set B which are having pre-image in set A, and codomain means whole set B. That's why earlier मैंने आपको बताया था range is always a subset of codomain. Any difficulty class? This concept I have given to you. ठीक है? So any difficulty? Clear? So let us try to solve the questions. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Exercise. This is the last exercise, that is 2.3. 2-3 questions class I am going to solve. Then I need your help. First question. What is the question? Which of the following are functions? Give reasons. Okay. If it is a function, determine its domain and range. So first you are supposed to decide which of the following are functions. If it is a function, okay. So क्या आ गया? First is 2 1. Then it is 2 1. Then 5 1 8 1. 2 1 5 1 8 1 11 1
14 1,
and last is
14 1 and 17 1.
14 1 and 17 1. 14 1 17 1. Class, there are 2-3 questions. First of all, you are supposed to decide whether this is a function or not. Suppose this is a function, then calculate the domain and the range. Suppose this is not a function, so the domain and relation range we are not going to find. Okay. So class, इसका diagram draw करते हैं. Day diagram. This is पहले वाले 2 5 8 11 14 and 17, and this is second set क्या है? This is 1. ठीक है? So class क्या करेंगे? 2 is mapped to 1, 5 is also mapped to 1, 8 is mapped to 1, 11 is mapped to 1, 14 is mapped to 1, and 17 is also mapped to 1. So tell me, this is a function or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Function or not? Sure?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So this is a function, because what is the criteria for a function? Every element from set A has a unique image in set B. So 2 is mapped to 1, 5 is mapped to 1, 8 is mapped to 1. So this is a function. Okay. It satisfies all the conditions for function. Next you are supposed to find the domain and the range. What is the domain of a domain? Domain क्या होगी class यहाँ पे? Domain is the first component, the first set. All those elements in the first set which are mapped to the second. So 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. These are the elements from the first set which are having the image in the second set. What is the range here, class? Range means all those elements from the second set which are having the pre-image in the first set. So range is 1. Range is 1 here, class. Any difficulty? Any difficulty, class?
No, sir.
No,
चलिए,
sir.
let us move to the next one then. Second part देखते हैं. ठीक है. Let us try to solve the second part. ठीक है. Second is 2142. R is equal to 2142. Next क्या है?
6 3,
214263. हाँ बोलो शाबाश. 63.
8 4,
84.
10 5,
10 5.
12 6,
12 6.
14 7.
14 7. So class, draw करो diagram. First component कहाँ पे आएंगे? 2 4 6 8 10 12 14. Clear? And second component देखो जरा. This is set A, set B. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 2 is mapped to 1, 4 is mapped to 2, 6 is mapped to 3, 8 is mapped to 4, 10 with 5, 12 with 6, and 14 with 7. So first decide this is a function or not.
Yes, sir.
Definition is every element of set A has a unique image in set B. So every element of set A has a unique image in set B. So this is a function. Now, since it is a function, now you are supposed to find the domain and the range. So who will tell me the domain? Kanan, unmute yourself and tell me the domain. Kanan.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Kanan,
14.
can you tell me the range also?
1, 2, 3,
Shabash. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Domain means all those elements from set first, that is set A, which are mapped to the set B, and range means all those elements from set B which are having the pre-image in set A, that is the first set. Okay. Then let us move to the next question. Then let us come to the third part. R is equal to, speak. R is equal to
1 3
1 3
1 5 2
Next.
5.
2 5. Next.
So this much only.
नहीं है 2 5. So first of all, you are supposed to decide this is a function or not. Draw the diagram, class. This is suppose set A, this is set B. Set A में क्या आएगा? 1 1. Repeat हो रहा है, एक ही बार लिखेंगे. Then comes 2. So this is 3 5. ठीक है. So class draw करो इसकी diagram. 1 is mapped to 3 and 1 is also mapped to 5. आगे जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. This is not a function. Not a function. Why? Set A, there is a single element which are having two images in the set B. One has the image 3, one has the image 5. So criteria of uniqueness क्या हो गया? Fail हो गया. So क्या definition थी? Every element of set A has a unique image in set B. One has image 3, one has image 5. Uniqueness fail होगी. So this is not a function. So if it is not a function, then I'm not going to find the range and the domain of this function. So इसकी domain and range नहीं find करेंगे, निकलेगी नहीं. Clear? समझ में आया why this is not a function? Because there is an element 1 having two images in set B. Uniqueness criteria fail हो गया यहाँ पे. ठीक है. Now class, let us move to the next question, and which is the most important question of this exercise. ठीक है. Clear? Find the domain and range of the following real functions. So f of x is equal to minus mod of x. This is modulus function class. Okay. So you are supposed to find the domain and range of this real valued function. See class, in reference books बड़ा typical तरीके से tough तरीके से solve किया हुआ इस question को. I will give you a simple approach for this question, simplest and the latest approach. Okay. Let us draw a table here. Here क्या लेंगे? Value of x को value देते हैं. ठीक है. Clear? Then क्या लेते हैं? Value of f of x is equal to mod of x. Let y लेते हैं. So y is equal to f of x is equal to mod of x. That means y is equal to क्या आ गया? Modulus of x. ठीक है. Minus modulus of x. Whether real number or not. Whether a real or not. Question में क्या था class? Find the domain and range of the following real functions. Real functions. Check करना है real आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. Suppose class I give the value of x as 0, 1, 2, ठीक है. Then -1 देते हैं. Then -2 से check करते हैं. If I give the value of x as 0, so modulus of 0 y कितना आएगा class? What should be the answer of y? Y is minus of x is 0, 0. So answer कितना आएगा? 0. If I give the answer x as value 1, so y क्या है? Modulus of x. So this is modulus of 1. Mod of 1 कितना होता है? 1. So this is minus 1. Similarly, if I give value to x as 2, so this is y is equal to modulus of x is equal to modulus of x मीन्स टुडे 2, सो आंसर कितना आएगा, मॉड ऑफ 2 इज 2, माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो -2. सपोज आई गिव x एज वैल्यू -1, y कितना आएगा, y is modulus of x, so this is minus as it is. Today answer of x is -1, so in place of x में क्या लिखूंगा, -1. So class modulus of any function is positive, so answer क्या आएगा, 1. 1 को माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, अगेन आंसर इज -1. So if you assign the value y is equal to -2 here, so sorry x is equal to -2, तो y कितना आएगा, modulus of x, so this is equal to minus x is -2. मॉडुलस ऑफ फंक्शन इज ऑलवेज क्या आएगा, पॉजिटिव, बाहर क्या बैठा हुआ, माइनस, तो माइनस इंटू प्लस इज -2. क्लियर. सो क्लास डोमेन क्या होगी इसकी, डोमेन क्या है, डोमेन ऑफ, सो 0 -1 -2 -1 -2 और क्या आएंगे, रियल नंबर्स. दिस इज आल्सो रियल, यस यस रियल है, आंसर क्या आ रहा है, रियल, सो दिस इज आल्सो रियल. नाउ क्लास यू आर सपोज्ड टू कैलकुलेट डोमेन ऑफ f एंड रेंज ऑफ. डोमेन मींस कहां से निकलेगी, वैल्यू ऑफ x क्या बनाएगी, फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट क्या बनाएगा, डोमेन, सेकंड कंपोनेंट क्या बनाएगा, रेंज. ठीक है, सो क्या डोमेन होगी, 0 1 2 -1, ये कैसे नंबर्स है क्लास, दे आर द रियल नंबर्स. -2 -3 लगाओगे, -4 लगाओगे, 0 1 2 3 भी लगा सकते थे, 4 5 -1 -2 -3, दे आर ऑल रियल नंबर्स. डोमेन ऑफ f क्या है, रियल नंबर्स. So what is the range? Range क्या है? If y x की वैल्यू -3 दोगे, यहाँ -3 आएगा, x की वैल्यू -4 -4 -5 -6 and so on, means up to कहाँ तक जा रहे हो आप, -1 -2 -3, then comes -4 भी लगा सकते थे, up to so on. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, -∞. आंसर क्या आ रहा है क्लास, आंसर क्या आ रहा है आपका, लेटेस्ट आंसर, सबसे मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कितनी मिली आपको, 0. सो रेंज मीन्स range of f is equal to -∞ to 0. 0 included है, that's why the bracket is closed. infinity को कभी include नहीं करते, that's why the bracket is open. range means minimum value and the maximum value. minimum value कहाँ पे आ रही है, -2 के बाद, if you ये the value as x is equal to -3, so -3 -4 -5 -6, so up to so on कहाँ तक आओगे, infinity तक. and maximum value कितनी आ रही है, 0. 0 is included, so this is the range of this function. Any difficulty from your side class? Next भी ditto same है, मैं solve करता हूँ उसको भी. So see the next question. ठीक है, ये important है, ये आता है एग्जाम में. Next is f of x is equal to under root of 9 minus x square. You are supposed to calculate the domain and range of this रियल वैल्यूड फंक्शन. सेम करेंगे क्लास, बिल्कुल सेम प्रोसीजर करेंगे. दैट इज यहाँ पे क्या लगाएंगे, वैल्यू ऑफ x लेंगे, so this is y is equal to f of x is equal to under root of 9 minus x square. that means y is equal to under root of 9 minus x square. A real number or not, real number or not. So class, let us assign the value as x को मैं वैल्यू देता हूँ 0, x को 1 लगाते हैं, x2 start with the positive value. ठीक है, then x comes 3, x को मैं वैल्यू अब नेगेटिव लगाता हूँ -1, x as -2, x as -3 and so on. Clear? दो x को वैल्यू 0, so यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, this is under root of 9 minus x square, so under root of 9 minus 0 square, so this is under root of 9, so y is 3. Clear class? Then x को 1 लगाओ, x को क्या लगाते हैं 1, so this is 9 minus 1 square, so this is under root of 8. 9 minus 1 is 8, under root of 8 can be written as 2 root 2, so under root of 8 can be written as 2 root 2. If you put x is equal to 3 here, sorry, x is equal to 2 लेते हैं, so this is 9 minus 2 square is 4, so under root of क्या आएगा, this is under root of क्या आएगा 5. ठीक है, then if you put x is equal to 3, x को 3 लगाओ, so this is 9 minus 3 square, so this is 9 minus 9, so answer क्या आएगा, under root of 0 is 0, so answer क्या आएगा 0. So if you take x is equal to -1, so this is x कितना लेना है -1 under root of 9 minus in place of x is -1, x square is -1 square, so this is 9 minus -1 square is +1, so this is under root of 8 can be written as 2 root 2, so this is under root of 8 can be written as 2 root 2. ठीक है, if you take x is equal to -2, आंसर अंडर रूट क्या आएगा, रिपीट होगा अंडर रूट 5, x इज इक्वल टू -3 अंडर रूट x को -3 लोगे y कितना आ जाएगा 0 आ जाएगा. ठीक है, सो ऑल दीस आर दे आर द दिस इज यस 3 इज द रियल नंबर, 2 अंडर 2 इज द रियल नंबर, सबके आंसर क्या आएंगे, दे आर द रियल नंबर्स. क्लियर. नाउ क्लास यू आर सपोज्ड टू कैलकुलेट द डोमेन एंड द रेंज. डोमेन
Can you explain it again?
यस बच्चे,
So please explain it again.
ओके आकृति. सो हियर आई हैव टेकन द x इज इक्वल टू -1, आंसर क्या आएगा 2 अंडर 2, x इज इक्वल टू -2 लगा के देखते हैं, x इज इक्वल टू क्या लेते हैं -2 लेते हैं. सो फंक्शन इज 9 minus x square, so this is 9 minus x is -2 whole square, so this is 9 minus का स्क्वायर करोगे पॉजिटिव आएगा, 2 का स्क्वायर 4, so this is under root 5, आंसर इज under root 5. ठीक है, x -3 लगाओगे, -3 स्क्वायर इज 9, 9 minus 9 कितना आ जाएगा, y का आंसर क्या आ जाएगा 0. सो क्लास डोमेन कहां से आएगी, फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट सेट, रेंज फ्रॉम द सेकंड सेट. सो डोमेन यहां से निकलेगी, वैल्यू ऑफ x क्या बनाएगी डोमेन. सो डोमेन क्या है, x कहां तक वैल्यू ले रहा है क्लास -3. सपोज क्लास यहां वैल्यू में x को देता हूं -4 देता हूं, तब क्या होगा, अंडर रूट ऑफ 9 माइनस x को क्या लेते हैं -4, सो दिस इज -4 होल स्क्वायर, सो दिस इज 9 माइनस 4 का स्क्वायर क्या आएगा 16, 9 minus 16 -7, -7 means iota, iota means it's a complex number, you are dealing for the real value of x, so this is किसमें चला गया, कॉम्प्लेक्स में चला गया, that's why मैंने x is equal to -4 नहीं लिया. सो यहाँ पे अगर x is equal to मैं +4 लेता हूँ क्लास, यहाँ पे x is equal to after 3 if I take x is equal to 4, so क्या होगा क्लास 9 minus x4 4 square, so 9 minus 16, so this is -7, -7 means complex number iota, so you are dealing with only real value of x, so that's why x is equal to 4 नहीं आएगा, because वैल्यू क्या चली जाएगी complex, x is equal to -4 वैल्यू complex हो जाएगी. ठीक है, so class that's why I have not taken these values. ठीक है, now domain यहाँ से आएगी. So what is the domain of this function class, domain of f and range of f, क्या domain होगी क्लास -3
-2 -1
-3 and +3, -3 से आगे नहीं जा पा रहे हो आप, और +3 से भी आगे नहीं जा पा रहे, so domain is -3 and +3, -3 is included, that's why this is closed bracket, +3 is also included, that's why this is a closed bracket. Range क्या क्लास, चलो मैं हिंट दूं, should I give you a hint for the range? Range means class minimum value of x at which y is maximum. See in this table, minimum value of x जहां पे y की क्या आती है मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, दोनों कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होनी चाहिए. मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ x at which y is maximum. See this, x की मिनिमम वैल्यू कितनी है 0, y क्या आ रहा है मैक्सिमम आ रहा है 3, so range means that value of x at which y क्या आना चाहिए मैक्सिमम आना चाहिए. So if you assign the value as x is equal to 0, उस समय y की वैल्यू क्या आ रही है मैक्सिमम आ रही है, so range क्या आ गई x 0 y 3, so this is the range of this function. So range means minimum value of x at which y is maximum. You can see in the table minimum value of x is 0 at which the y is maximum, y की maximum value कितनी 3. Any doubt class? ये था in the tabular form, otherwise बड़ा typical किया हुआ in the reference book, so मैंने वो approach आपको दी ही नहीं. So is it clear class? Understood है, ये important examination point of view के concept. ठीक है. Next question is, third question is, पढ़ो जरा मैथली, जल्दी से पढ़ो थर्ड क्वेश्चन.
A function x f is defined by fx is equal to 2x minus 5. Write down the values of first part is f0, f7, f minus 3.
f7
f
and
minus 3.
f is
Minus 3.
So function is defined that f of x is equal to 2x minus 5. So that means x is equal to 0. So this is 2 into 0 minus 5. So answer क्या आएगा? Minus 5. Then this is 7. Means x is 7. That is 2 in place of x is 7 minus 5. 14 minus 5 answer क्या आएगा? 9. Then x is equal to minus 3. So this is 2 in place of x क्या लगाएंगे? Minus 3 minus 5. So this is 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 minus 5. Answer is minus 11. This is the simplification for this question. Next मैथली पढ़ो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बच्चे, ये इजी था.
The function t which maps temperature in degree Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit is defined by Tc is equal to 9c by 5 plus 32.
9c by 5 plus 32.
First
Find
part
क्या करना
is T0,
T0,
T28,
T28,
T minus 10.
T minus 10.
The value of C when T is
Last part
equal
को
to
बाद में
212.
wait last को बाद में पढ़ते हैं. T0, 0 means T0 means C को क्या लेना है? 0. So this is 9 into 0 divided by 5 plus 32. 9 into 0 is 0. 0 divided by 5 is 0. 0 plus 32. Answer कितना आएगा? That is 32. Now T28. Sorry, this is the value of C. So 9 in place